Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. I think you all have revised earlier topic which is related to our first chapter, our environment. Now we will do next domain of the earth, that is hydrosphere. The domain of water is referred to as hydrosphere. Oceans, sea, lakes and rivers collectively form the hydrosphere. It is essential for human beings, plants and animals. Without water, life is not possible. About how much percent of earth is covered with water? About 71% of the earth's surface is covered with water. Now we will do its features. Hydrosphere provide us a great variety of seafood and minerals. Means we can find seafoods and minerals through hydrosphere. It provide, next point is, it provide a natural link between the continents. Means all the continents are interrelated with the help of hydrosphere. Next point is oceans are its main component. Means oceans are its main component of hydrosphere. The elevation of any landform is measured by the ocean floor. Next point is it is used as a means of transport by people. Means we all use water, or we can say hydrosphere, as a main means of transport. Clear that? Now we will do after hydrosphere, biosphere is next. Biosphere, it means the living world. It contains all forms of life. Such as which forms of life? All forms of life, such as plants, animals, human beings, etc. Biosphere is a narrow zone of the earth. Which zone? Narrow zone of the earth where land, water and air, means where lithosphere, atmosphere and hydrosphere all linked together. We can find all the earlier spheres in the narrow zone of biosphere. They all interact with each other to support life. Means our life is possible only because of biosphere, that is a narrow zone where hydrosphere, lithosphere and atmosphere link together or contact to each other. Here are some features of biosphere, that is it is a significant part of the earth. Means biosphere, that is a narrow zone where all contact with each other, is an important part of the earth. It is the part of the earth that is occupied by living organisms. Means all living organisms live in biosphere where they contact with each other. Next point is it extends from less than 11 km below sea level. Next is it provides us with favorable condition for life. Means we want land, we want air, we want water. Where we get all these three aspects? We get all these three aspects in biosphere. Means biosphere provides us as a platform for life. Next point is the interrelation between human beings and their surrounding take place in biosphere. Means all which interrelation? Human beings and their surroundings. Is that clear? Now we will do ecosystem. Have you heard this name, ecosystem? What is ecosystem? An ecosystem is a system formed by the interaction of all living organisms with each other. Means that system, that part or that process where all living organisms interact with each other and with their environment through transfer of energy and material. Means when we transfer energy and material with all other living organism and our environment, this system is called ecosystem. Here are some characteristics of ecosystem. Huge rainforest, grasslands, deserts, hills, mountains, oceans, rivers, lakes, ponds, etc. can form an ecosystem. Means where all these all these factors find there. An ecosystem can be permanent or temporary. Means we can say it can be means when interaction is there it is permanent. If interaction is not there it is called temporary. It is natural or artificial. It can be both. It can be natural or can be artificial. A natural ecosystem is created by nature itself. Means when nature itself create ecosystem like hydrosphere, lithosphere, air atmosphere found in biosphere, that is called natural itself. While artificial ecosystem is created by human being. How we can say it is artificial? Means when we find buildings, roads, bridges, parks, industries, furnitures, books, etc. that is created by human being and it is surrounding us, that is called human being, or we can say artificial ecosystem. I hope you all have understood these topics. Now you all have to revise these points and try to find out and make question answers yourself. Thank you and be safe.